Here's a 4-in-1 water-cooled laser welding machine with a smart display head for direct control. Adjust settings directly on screen with a simple, intuitive interface. Let's start with its main function, laser welding, for smooth seams and strong joints. Impact testing shows the weld stays solid and secure. Switch to cutting mode for fast, clean cuts with smooth edges. Weld cleaning quickly removes oxidation for a cleaner finished surface. Remote cleaning removes rust and contaminants efficiently, restoring clean metal surfaces without damaging the base material. One machine, 4 functions, ready for more applications. UMW Laser Solutions.